Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you live in the state of Utah and currently looking for a bird book, bird guide, or field guide which will teach you all about birds in America? If you're living in Utah and currently looking for a field guide that will teach you all about birds local to Utah, then the Birds Utah Field Guide will be the perfect product for you. Now you can learn all about birds in your state by using this field guide, which is prepared by Stan Tichiello. This field guide offers full-page color photos which are incomparable and include insets of winter plumage, color morphs, and more. This item features an easy-to-use format which makes it user-friendly. You don't need to know a bird's name or classification in order to easily find it in this field guide. This is ideal for kids, the library, schools, or for collection. Experience pleasure by reading this field guide. This book is a great way for kids and adults to learn about the birds in Utah. You can have the Birds Utah Field Guide today at a very affordable price and see to it that you can broaden your knowledge about the birds in Utah. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.